Hello students, welcome back to the new video. In this video, I will be discussing 1, 25-26 answers with detailed solving. So you should subscribe to my channel so you will be getting all the questions with answers for every subject with every answer in the detail. So coming to the multiple choice first question, the HCF of 3 and 5 is answer, that is 1. Coming to the second question, if the figure the number of zeros of the polynomial y is equals to p of x is, here the answer is 4. Coming to the third question, if the pair of linear equation a 1x plus b1y is from quadratic equation, the answer is a. Option A is correct answer. A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2. Coming to the fourth question, the arithmetic progression in the following is 5, 9, 13 and 17 is the correct answer for the arithmetic progression. What is the correct sequence? Fifth question, in the given frequency distribution table, the median class is. So option C is correct. Coming to the sixth question. So coming to the sixth question. So coming to the sixth question, A is equals to 3, tan A, then the measure of the angle A is, the correct answer is 30 degree D. Seventh question, our to point P minus 4, minus 5 intersects X axis at the point Q. The coordinates of point Q are, that is B option minus 4, 0. Coming to the eighth question, the quadratic equation whose roots are 6 and minus 1 is, the correct answer is option B. Coming to the 1 marks question, answer the following. How many solutions does the pair of linear equation in two variable have, if any, if they are inconsistent? Here the answer no solution is correct. If the figure D is parallel to BC, AD is equal to 2 cm and BD is equal to 6 cm, then find D is to BC. D ratio BC, the answer is here, and that is 1:4. Coming to the 11th question, the circumference of the base of the cylinder is 10 cm and its height is equal to 25 cm. Find the curved surface area, and that is with the formula, and that is the answer is 250 centimeter square. Please mention centimeter square as a unit if you need 1 out of 1 marks. If you don't write centimeter square, they will cut 1 marks or half marks, half marks they will cut. 12th question, write the value of P of E plus P bar of E with reference to probability. Answer, P of E is equals to P bar of E is equals to E. 13th question, in arithmetic progression, the 7th term is 12 more than its 4th term. Find the common differences. That is, the solving is here perfectly, and that is D is equals to 4. So this question paper is prepared very clean and very systematic manner. So do please subscribe to my channel and watch this video fully, and you can score in your upcoming board examination as well as your preparatory examinations. 14th question is, and this is with the formula solved. They are given the question in the figure, a cone of radius r. Here you should write the formula by understanding the figure. So coming to the 15th question, this is from triangle, and the answer is direct. It is equals to 60 degree angle P. So coming to the 16th question, if the zeros of the polynomial p of x is equals to x square plus 3x plus k are reciprocal to each other, then find the value of k. And the answer is, if zeros of polynomial are reciprocal to each other, then their product is equal to 1. Therefore, k is equals to 1. This is the direct. And coming to the third main, and this was 2 marks question. In an arithmetic progression, if S20 is equals to 820 and S20 is equals to 79, sorry, it is A20 is equals to 79, then find its first term. Or they have given option here, how many number between 201 and 401 are divisible by 6. So answer for the first question start from here. Sn is equals to n by 2 a plus a of n. And or option, the answer start from here, numbers divisible by 6 between 201 and 401. So coming to the 8th question, this is solve the given pair of linear equation using suitable method. Suitable method means you can use any of the method, elimination, substitution or cross multiplication method. So here they have used elimination method. So you also use elimination method to find x and y values. So find the 19th question, find the discriminant of the quadratic equation 2x square plus 3x minus 7 is equals to 0 and determine the nature of roots. Or express the quadratic equation 2x plus 3 is equal to x plus 3 into x is equals to x square plus 1 in the standard form. So this will be the standard form, and the roots and real are distinct. Here our question is this. In the first question, the answer will start from here, 2x square plus 3x minus 7 is equals to 0. And our question, the answer will start from here. So you need to solve this. It is for 1 marks for writing the equation in and arranging it to standard form. They will give 1 marks. Total 1, it is 2. Prove that root 5 is an irrational number. Answer, let root 5 is an irrational number. Here you have to solve this in this systematic manner. So you will get the full marks. So coming to the 21st question, find the coordinates of the point which divides the line segment joining the points 1,6 and 4,3 in the ratio 1:2 internally. Just carefully observe and internally and externally. So the formula will change. And here is the marks distribution. You can see here at the left side, half. And here 22nd question, in the figure, find the value of tan P and cos R. So here is the answer for that. And coming to 23rd question from circle, it is a proof question. Prove that, as you can see here, AB is twice the length of the tangent. You have to show or prove that question. So this is solving for it. And coming to 24th question, the product of HCF and LCM of two numbers is 2016. If one of the number is 42, then find the another number. Also find the HCF of those two numbers by prime factorization method. You should also use prime factorization method to solve that, to find their prime factorization. Also find the HCF of those two numbers. Yes, you need to find the HCF only by prime factorization method. So coming to the 25th question, find the coordinates of the center of the circle passing through the points A is equals to -3, 0, B is equals to 0, 2, and C is equals to 0, -3. So this is solving for that. You can see here. And coming to the 26th question, prove that the length of the tangents drawn with circle in an external point are equal. So this is solving for this. And you should also write these points as radii of same circle in this all things. So coming to the 27th question, and takes 1 hour less than a passenger train to travel a distance of 132 km. The average speed of the express train is 11 km per hour, more than that of the passenger train. Find the average speed of these two trains. And our option is the ages of two students A and B are 19 years and 15 years respectively. Find how many years it will take to that the product of their ages becomes equal to 480. So answer for the first question is here 27. So this is solving for it in detail and systematic way. So please do subscribe to my channel and watch the video until end, so it will be helpful to solve the question how they want in the board examination. So you will get out of 4 marks in this subject, and the or answer will start from here. Let the required number of years be x. You should assume here x and y according to years of both, and this is the answer for that. Coming to the 28th question, prove that this is from this is from trigonometry lesson. Sec a into 1 minus sin a into sec a plus tan a is equals to under root 1 plus cos a into 1 minus cos a into cosec a. So this is the answer for that. And here is all option also. Prove that sin theta by 1 minus cos theta plus tan theta divided by 1 plus cos theta is equals to cot theta plus sec theta into cosec theta. Here are the two questions. The first answer will begin from here. LH is equals sec a. You will understand it, and the or option answer will start from here. Okay. So coming to the 29th question, write the quadratic polynomial whose sum and product of the zeros are 2 and -8 respectively, and hence find the zeros of the polynomial. And the or is, if alpha and beta are the zeros of the quadratic polynomial p of x is equals to x square plus 3x plus 1, then find the value of I 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta, and second is alpha square into beta plus beta square into alpha, or alpha into beta square. Answer, here is the answer, and you can see it and you can solve it. It is very systematic way without missing any step, and our option will start from here. And going to the 30th question, ABC is a right angle triangle. If BAC is equals to 90 degree and AD perpendicular to BC, then show that AB square is equals to BC into BD. Answer, here will be starting the answer. So coming to the question number 31st, the minute hand of a wall clock is 18 centimeter long. Find the area swept by the minute hand in 35 minutes. Find the length of the arc formed by the sweep of minute hand. So this is from area related to circles. You need to find the length of the arc by the formula. And the 32nd question, a box contains card numbered from 6 to 70. If one card is drawn at random from the box, find the probability that the card will have a perfect square number. Second is a number divisible by 5. And third is an odd number less than 30. Answer, here it is the answer. So you can see it for all the three questions. And here is a question for the 33rd. Find the mean for the following frequency distribution provided in this table. And or is find the mode of the following frequency distribution table. So the answer for the first question, 33rd question, first distribution table, seeing you should find the mean. So the mean answer is from here, from this answer. This is the mean calculation. And for the mode calculation, the answer will start from here. After this or, the answer will start from here for the mode. Okay, for the 34th question, this is a graph. Solve the given pair of linear equation by graphical method. For it is for 4 marks. X plus 2y is equals to 6. X plus y is equals to 5. And you can see the table here. You should also find the values for x and y. Then plot the graph in a systematic manner. And you should also mention that here you can also see that scale x-axis and y-axis 1 centimeter is equals to 1 unit. You should mention that, and all the points and which line is for which equation you have to mention that. Here you can see the graph in one glance you can see whole graph here, and mainly concentrate on writing this table. Truth table means each mark will be provided for truth table. Truth table means these tables. Okay, for these tables there will be, for drawing this table there will be 1 marks. And coming to the second, then drawing 2 lines. You should plot these 2 lines by the equation using the graph points, that is 1 mark, and finding the values of x and y, that is for 1 marks. Okay, so 1 marks is for plotting. So it's totally for 4 marks. Coming to the 35th question, prove that if in 2 triangles sides of one triangle are proportional. This is from similar triangles are similar. So this is our steps for solving the theorem from the lesson triangles. So these are the steps. You can go with the steps and solve this. And also there is OR question. You can see here there is OR. Prove that if one triangle, this is from Pythagoras theorem. 2 triangles are similar. Second question is similar triangles, and the first question is corresponding angles are equal, hence 2 triangles are similar. So there are 2 questions, and for 2 questions there is different answer here. You can see the OR question will start from here. Data in triangle ABC and DEF. And so you should solve in this manner only. Here are the marks distribution for data 1.5 marks, figure 1.5 marks, to prove 1.5 marks, and construction 1.5 marks, and to prove it they have given 2 marks. So this is the 36th question. The sum of the first n terms of an arithmetic progression is Sn is equals to 3n square plus 2n. Find the nth term of the progression. If the progression consists of 59 terms, then find the sum of the last 10 terms of the progression. So this is the solving in the systematic manner. So do subscribe to my channel. Reach my channel till 1000 subscribers. And so these are the answers you can practice. I will be uploading remaining 4 question papers answers. So do subscribe, so you will be getting the notification. Through that you can watch and practice for your board examination as well as preparatory examination. The lighthouse AB, you can read this question. This is from applications of trigonometry. You can read the question by stopping to the video. So this is the construction of the diagram. Sometimes they will give the diagram or they will not give the diagram. And so the second question is here, a tower and a pole. So that is diagram is here. Again, this is a repeated question from 2022 paper, March, April. So this is solving for the first question. This is a solving for the first question. You can see here. And the solving for the second question or option is, it will start from this diagram. Okay. So how it is solved in this question paper? Answer. How systematically the answers are written in the same manner you have to write it. So you will get full marks in the question paper. Okay. So thank you for watching till end. You will do subscribe to my channel. I am hoping that I will make videos for the next question paper. So be tuned to on my channel. So do subscribe. Thank you for watching till end. This is the 38th question from surface area and volume. Sorry, some disturbance happened here. Some hopeless guy was shouting here near my home. Sorry for the disturbance occurred. So this is the 38th question. See how the solving is. And our option is here. A vessel in the foam and inverted cone. Its height is 8 centimeter and the radius is 5 centimeter. You can read it the question and see the solving here. It is for the first question solving, and for the second question here is the solving. Okay, so do subscribe. Thank you for watching till end once again. So please do subscribe. and requesting please reach my subscribers till 1000 plus. Thank you for watching till end.